Hello traders, how's everyone doing today? I know it's been a little while since my last update, my last daily review. Sorry about the sound. I need to get a new microphone because I know it sounds terrible. But anyway, I'm going to make this quick because I did have to turn off the air conditioner and it was making too much noise and it's really hot. Anyway, let me get this started. So today the market's crashed. I mean, obviously you don't care because it's a stock market, but in case you're wondering, dollar did pretty good for the day. I'm going to go over some setups that I'm currently in at the moment. For EURGBP, I'm in this trade currently. This is where I entered on the 12-hour chart. And I usually don't enter trades on Thursdays, but these seem pretty well, and I probably will close them out tomorrow afternoon anyway. So I entered already, like a few minutes ago, so I would say this is my setup, being that tomorrow I'm going to close it early, so I'm hoping it hits at least over here. So it's basically a 1-to-1, but it's pretty promising. So another trade that I'm in, so EURGBP I'm short. British pound Swiss franc I am long on this because the daily close happened above previous support. I love the line chart for that reason. So this is previous daily support. Today price closed above it. Yeah, it's pretty bearish, but we go to a lower time frame. We're going to see that price really rejected the zone. We go to the 8-hour chart. We see a nice pin bar here. And we go to the 6-hour chart. We see a very nice rejection candle. I like the risk to reward on this trade. For the most part, it would be something like this. I'll probably do it for here. So it's a pretty good, almost 3-to-1 risk to reward. Again, maybe swing trade. I will come up to here, but it is Thursday, and I don't like holding trades over the weekend. But this is something that I'm in. But we'll see how tomorrow goes. I might just hold these trades. But I think tomorrow afternoon I'm going to close them out. I think they're going to be in pretty good profit. Last but not least, the third trade I entered today was EURNZD, New Zealand dollar. Daily close below previous resistance. Well, support broke and turned to resistance. Daily close below that. Our line chart, we'll see that this was previous support that was broken. Price closed below it today, and we also see that this is a fib level that is being rejected against the golden zone between the 51 and the 61.8 level. We see that price is in a downtrend, and we see that price did reject the Fibonacci level. We go down to lower time frames. We see that price is rejecting these levels, and I just like the risk to reward so much that even if it does hit my stop loss, this was something I couldn't give up. Back to the 6-hour, which I don't really like anything below the 6-hour, but you know, this seemed like a really good trade. So we got the 6-hour rejection candle here off this level, and I'm taking that down. If we go back to the daily chart, this also can make a good swing trade for the long term. We go down here. You know, you could target this if you're looking to trade this long term, because I still see that this pair is in a downtrend, and if we take our Fibonacci extension, which would be here, you can see that this level over here lines up perfectly with this area, this level over here. So I would definitely see this pair going not only to the first target here, but if for the long term, I'll be looking to come all the way down to here. So that would be a pretty good trade. If you want to place a second trade, it'll probably look like this. And again, guys, I'm getting better with these videos. I mean, I'm just starting these videos, so sorry if they're not the best, but they'll get better. So this would be like a second trade. So first target, second target, obviously. Another thing I want to talk about, these yen pairs. A lot of these yen pairs took a beating today. So I'm not doing anything with these. Like this is Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I'm waiting for a damn it. Either price is going to come down, hit this part and go up, or it's either going to come down here, reject this level and go back up, or it is going to come back here, which is why you see this alarm set over here. And guys, using alarms is the best thing in the world, because I only trade the daily charts. So I only look at my charts. Well, I'm in New Jersey in the United States. I only look at my charts at 5 p.m. when the daily candle closes, and I place my trades off of that. So then after that, I'll go to lower time frames, but I do not day trade. I only look at my charts once a day, and it makes all the difference. So that's it. Yeah, all the Japanese pairs, Japanese pairs took a beating today. Yeah, so this is something I wouldn't even look to get into until price shows me something else. But this is just going down. These are like continuing trades, I guess. EURCAD broke resistance, so looking for a test, a retest. Damn it. A retest at this level before going up. What else? Euro shift. Euro Swiss franc. I don't know. I keep saying shift. This is a great level to look for buys. But again, I mean, the weekend starts tomorrow, so I wouldn't even touch anything until Monday. It's close. I mean, you might be able to get a quick scalp day trade or whatever. With some pairs, but I'm not looking forward to it. We looked at that one already. British pound, Australian dollar. I'm not going to go through too many pairs. I don't have much time right now, but in time I'll go through. I thought I had these marked up already. God damn it. So anyways, again, the Australian dollar is taking a beating, so everything against the Australian dollar is going up. So when I see some bullish power with the Australian dollar, then I'll be looking to short pairs like the British pound, Australian dollar, and the euro. Australian dollar, what else? This is getting its ass whooped. I wouldn't even, this is going to probably come down to like over here. We'll see about that. Euros are South African Rand. I'm looking for a retest on both the euro and the USD ones, for price to come back up, then to come back down. Again with this one, although today with the EURZAR is pretty bullish, we can probably see a breakout, and then we could target this level, or we could see a rejection off this level and price to come down. But again, won't know until like Monday, because I don't think anything much is going to happen tomorrow with these pairs. Oil's down. Looking to probably buy oil around this area if we get some bullish buying power. Bitcoin's also down, but I don't really mess with Bitcoin too much. That's basically it, and I think that was it. That's all I really had to. Yeah, no. All the Mexican USD, Mexican peso kicked ass today. That's it. So, just to recap, I'm in Euro British Pound. That's a trade right there. I'm short Euro British Pound. I'm short Euro New Zealand dollar. I'm expecting a little drawback and then for price to come back down. And the British Pound Swiss franc, I'm expecting price to come up. So, I mean, overall, it's an Asian session, so I'm expecting price to come down a little bit and be a pain in the ass. But overall, going long, this is like, yeah, you can see that price is kind of making its way up. So we'll see. Tomorrow afternoon, I'll update you guys on these trades. And follow me on Instagram. I'll post my trades on there. And I will post these trades also on my TradingView page. Thank you for watching. Until next time, good luck. Bye.